Hey! World Baseball Classic. Welcome to hashtag straight poop. Yes, we'll talk baseball later while we start cooking. Maybe. No, we'll cook for sure, but maybe we'll talk baseball. So join us in the kitchen. Thanks for joining us. Hey, welcome back to hashtag straight poop. Yeah, man. I got nachos on the plate. Okay? And simply, when I was running the back of the house, this tap room, I served them in a mixing bowl or a Pyrex bowl, and this is what I got. Okay? So I got some seasoned Carne MOLIDA, which is ground beef. And it's seasoned with cumin, chili powder, lime, salt, pepper, and keef. Okay? So I'm just layering this. I got hot beef. I got shredded cow's milk Mexican cheese. Okay? I got some smashed avocados. And I got some sour cream. And some cilantro. Yeah, man. And the thing is, you can, while I put in this type of dish, you could just get in there and mix it up. Okay? So, there's more chips. Now in the beef, told you there's also garlic in there. There's also keef. And I fried it in cannabis oil. Typically, if I'm using 90% lean, I'm not using any fat. But I kind of wanted to make this special. And you guys are special. So, here we go. Nice steamed Carne MOLIDA. Okay. More cheese. Yeah, and this is simple, man. More of that Mexican cheese. Yeah, baby. Okay. More guacamole. Why not? And a little bit more. Sour cream. Some greenery, which is the cilantro. And I'm gonna cover it with the remaining beef. And, oh yeah, that oil's coming. Okay, go. Handful of chips. And I'm going to crown it with a little bit more cheese because that meat is steaming and that cheese should melt. Here we go. Nothing better than a nice plate of nachos. You know what I'm saying? You knows what I'm saying, sister. Yeah, that's beautiful. Nice plate of nachos. Or I should say, a Pyrex bowl full. Hey, grab your free cookbook. You've seen the graphics, and you go to the comment section, and you go to the top, and there's a link. Click on the link, and you'll have your free e-cookbook that I wrote, and it was published in 2018. It's got 125 barbecue cannabis recipes and 230 pages total. So it's yours free. Me and the dogs love having you. We love having you every episode. So we'll see you next time on hashtag straight poop. If you're waiting on me and the dogs, you're loafing. Take it easy. Hang loose.